Have you ever wondered how some organisms glow in the dark? Well, the answer lies in a natural phenomenon known as bioluminescence. This is a remarkable ability that allows certain organisms to produce their own light through a series of chemical reactions. It's as if they have their very own miniature light bulbs, illuminating the dark corners of their world. Now, the realm of bioluminescent organisms is vast and diverse. It spans from the smallest of plankton to the grandeur of cephalopods, and includes a myriad of creatures in between. Picture glowing jellyfish, worms, crustaceans, and a whole array of fish. And if that's not impressive enough, even some sharks and whales have managed to harness this extraordinary ability. This incredible light show isn't just for our visual delight. It serves a multitude of purposes in the underwater world, from communication to camouflage to defense. But how do these organisms produce their own light, and why? Tune in as we delve deeper into the marvel of bioluminescence. The science behind bioluminescence is fascinating and complex. You see, bioluminescence, or the ability of certain organisms to emit light, is not some magical phenomenon, but rather a remarkable feat of chemistry. Let's break it down. Bioluminescence is all about a chemical reaction, a dance of molecules, if you will, which takes place in specialized cells known as photocytes. The main players in this dance are luciferin and luciferase. Luciferin is the light-emitting compound, and luciferase is the enzyme that catalyzes the reaction. So, here's how it goes. When luciferin comes into contact with oxygen, under the influence of luciferase, a chemical reaction is initiated. The luciferin is oxidized, and in the process, it releases energy in the form of light. This light can range in color from green to blue depending on the type of luciferin and the environment. But you might wonder, where does the energy to power this reaction come from? Well, that's where our third key player comes in, adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is basically the energy currency of the cell. It provides the energy necessary to kickstart the reaction between luciferin and oxygen. And there you have it, the science behind the glow. It's a beautiful symphony of chemical reactions happening right there in the cells of bioluminescent organisms, from the tiny plankton to the majestic squid. It's nature's own little light show, powered by the magic of chemistry. However, it's important to note that not all bioluminescent organisms use the same type of luciferin or luciferase. In fact, there are several different types of these molecules, each resulting in slightly different colors and intensities of light. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. But why do these organisms need to produce light in the first place? That, my friends, is another fascinating story which we'll delve into in the next segment. So, stay tuned. Bioluminescence serves various functions in the marine world. This captivating natural phenomenon is more than just an underwater light show. It plays a pivotal role in the survival strategies of many marine organisms. In the deep, dark abyss of the ocean, light becomes a language. Many organisms use bioluminescence for intra- and interspecific communication. They emit light signals to attract mates or as a warning system to signal the presence of predators. The glow is their voice in the silence of the deep, but the brilliance of bioluminescence extends beyond communication. It's a master of disguise, aiding in camouflage. Organisms can blend into their luminous surroundings, hiding from predators in a spectacle of light. And when camouflage fails, bioluminescence transforms into a defense mechanism. Organisms can blind predators with a sudden flash of light or use their glow to draw attention away from vital body parts. Despite its beauty and utility, bioluminescence is under threat. As we delve deeper into this fascinating world of living light, we can't ignore the challenges it faces. Unfortunately, marine ecosystems hosting bioluminescent organisms face numerous threats. Pollution, a persistent menace, introduces harmful substances into these delicate habitats, potentially interfering with the chemical reactions that produce bioluminescence. Then there's climate change. This global crisis brings about shifts in ocean temperatures and acidity levels, potentially leading to the loss of suitable habitats for bioluminescent species. Overfishing is another concern, as it's not just about the depletion of fish populations. It also disrupts the food chain, affecting the availability of prey for bioluminescent predators. Finally, habitat destruction, often caused by human activities such as coastal development or deep-sea mining, poses a direct threat to the survival of these glowing organisms. Each of these threats could potentially disrupt the balance of the marine ecosystem, leading to a decrease in biodiversity and possibly even the loss of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a marvel of nature that we must strive to understand, appreciate and protect for future generations.